Hi everyone, this is a video tutorial to go over how to do your vision board assignment. So before you even start your virtual vision board, you want to think about the goals that you want to achieve over this next year. It does not have to be only personal or only academic. I know that on mine there's a lot of like kind of physical stuff on there. That just happens to be kind of where I'm at right now. But it can be anything you want it to be. Maybe you want to read 100 books that's one of my goals. I want to read 100 books and articles by June. So I know I've got my work cut out for me. Or maybe you want to get better at cooking a certain dish. Maybe you want to be able to solve a Rubik's Cube in under 5 minutes. It's really up to you. This is your goal. These are your ideas. This is your life. So it doesn't have to be, it doesn't have to be like mine. It doesn't have to be physical based. It could be something about school, something about friendship, something about family, a new hobby or a skill that you want to get better at. It's totally up to you what you want to put for your goals. In terms of your images, you can search online for some images that have pictures that show your goals, or you can do the GIFs or GIFs. I never know how to say that word, so please excuse my mispronunciation. But you can find things that inspire you to achieve those goals. Any like words of affirmation that you can write down, or inspiring words, or things that kind of describe how you want to feel. So you can see I have a mix of images that I found. These are just text boxes that I inserted, and I just played with the font and the colors and stuff till it looked how I wanted it to look. I edited the size of things so that they would get bigger or smaller. And then I added the GIF or GIF. So I'll show you how to do that right now. So on your vision board, yours is going to be this blank one. If I want to just add it in a picture, let's say that I want to get really good at making, or here we go, I want to skateboard, right? I want to learn how to skateboard. So if I go to insert and I want an image, I can put image, search the web, and then I'm going to put skateboarding. There we go. And then I'm just going to find a picture that I like. I think this one looks pretty cool. I like that one too. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to hit insert, and then it's going to insert the image for me. It's really big, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, a lot smaller. So there's one image. And maybe a word that kind of helps me keep going. I think of Dory a lot, that just keep swimming meme. So I'm going to go, what I'm actually going to do is let me say I want to do just keep swimming. So if I want to say just keep swimming, and I want this one, I want the GIF. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on it so that it is the little moving one. And I'm going to copy the image address. So you get to this thing by right-clicking. I don't know if you can see this on Screencastify. Hopefully you can. But if you right-click on it, you want to copy image address. And then when you go back to your board, you're going to hit Insert Image by URL. And then you're going to Control V or edit paste, and then that will get the GIF in there, or GIF. That'll get that in there for you. So that's how you add that in. So again, like maybe I want to do, maybe I want to learn how to surf or something. So, and I want to GIF of that. So I'm going to put surfing lesson. There we go. Let me see if I can find, you know what? I don't know if they have one. Let me just try surfing. Let's see if that works. These look like fun. They look like they might be falling down, which might very well be me on my first go of things. So let's see how that goes. Nope, they did not fall down. Yeah, there we go. Maybe Miss Court is going to be a surfing pro. So again, I'm going to right click it. I'm going to hit copy image address. And then when I go back in, I'm going to hit insert image by URL. And that's how you get, you just paste it into there, and then you hit insert, and then it will get the animated one in there for you. Now, if I want to do a text box, I'm going to hit insert, text box. I'm going to draw my text box however big I want. And maybe my family is something that's going to be important to me, kind of a word that I want to keep in mind this year. You can highlight it. Maybe I want it in teal. Maybe you want the whole box done, like the whole box in teal. So that's when you click on this fill color, and that'll put the whole thing. And then maybe you want a different font. So I'm going to highlight that, and I want it bold, and maybe I want it a lot bigger because it's a really important word for me. And maybe I want to change the font to, there we go. That one's, I don't really like that one. Can't really see that one that well. Let's go to this one that says impact. I like that one. There we go. So like I said, you can put images, words, pictures. I don't know if you have a Pinterest, but sometimes they have really good quotes on there. You can search up motivational quotes if that's something you want to do, or it's totally up to you how you want to set up your vision board, but that's how you add pictures and the GIFs or the GIFs and the text box. I hope that this helps. If you have any questions, as always, please reach out to yours truly, Ms. Cordah, CORDAH at sfusd.edu. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you soon. Bye.